Hey people, today I'm going to answer the question on why everyone thinks insurance, especially health and medical insurance, is getting more and more expensive. And there's a reason for that, and you might be guilty who contribute to this issue, to this problem. So, if you feel insurance getting more expensive, stay tuned after the break. Alright people, the first reason why what you are feeling is absolutely right, because insurance product has been evolved or has been misused other than its very basic purpose of providing financial protection for unexpected events which brings major financial losses. And why I say that, in an insurance policy, if you only buy pure protection, it's not going to cost you much. Okay, it's really not going to cost you much. Okay, but when you add in things like savings element, profit sharing element into the insurance policy itself, that is where you see and you feel your cost actually skyrockets. And a lot of people, maybe you are guilty for that, because you say that, okay, maybe your agent or what, they pitch an insurance plan for you, and they say that, oh, it's good, you have some protection, you have some combination of savings and all that. So it's two in one, right? We all love like 2-in-1 or 3-in-1, right? When it comes to your drinks, when it comes to your combo meals and all that. But that is not the right approach when it comes to insurance, because that is only going to skyrocket your cost. The second reason why insurance is getting more expensive is because a lot of people want their insurance to cover for routine expenses. And what I mean by that, now imagine every one of you drives car, right? At least you know what car insurance is. Let's use a simple analogy. Now, you know car insurance only pays you if you are involved in an accident, all right? And you know that it's unlikely you want to involve in an accident, okay? And it is unlikely you maybe even encounter one single accident in more than one time a year, or even one time in a few years. Now, so that is unexpected, undesirable, and you're not asking for it. So there's no car insurance that covers for example, your routine engine oil change, your routine engine the oil filter change, your routine tire inspection, balancing and alignment, because these are all things that are routine and unexpected, and it is not catastrophic in terms of financially, because it doesn't really give a very high financial impact to your finances. But if you want, imagine if you want this kind of thing, your routine car related expenses to be included in your car insurance policy, imagine how much it will cost, because it's going to cover you a routine health check, right? It's like you are having a prepaid a car service inside your policy, and then that is going to cost you, because let's be frank, there's no free lunch in the world. You want to get covered for a lot more things, you're going to pay for it, right? It's just the fact of life, right? No free lunch in the world. So I hope this video has been useful for you. And the purpose, again, I stress this again, the purpose of insurance is to cover for those that are unpredicted, you cannot predict, cannot expect, and with major financial losses. And again, the last thing I want to add is this very fact, is that some people feel it's unfair if they already have a pre-existing medical condition and they are being charged a higher premium, or they are being excluded for this kind of coverage. Now, it's very fair because, no offense, but if you and I, I'm the one that suffer from a lot of illness, I need to use a lot of medical expenses, and you and I are paying the same premium to the pool, but I use up this pool more than you do, okay, in a larger amount than you do and more frequent than you do. You feel it's unfair for me to use up this pool, right? More frequent and in higher amount, because I'm paying a lot of money. You and I are paying the same amount of money into this pool, okay, but you use the pool more than I am, so it's unfair. So that is why if you want to play, you want to contribute to this pool, and you want to get the same coverage, that's the concept. You have to pay more to this pool than I am, because you are not healthy and I'm healthy. Just put it in a very layman term. And the second reason is, if let's say you are very, very unhealthy, okay, so it's not fair for us, even if you contribute twice as more, but I contribute twice as less, but still you claim more. So to an extent, when the pool cannot sustain on itself, the insurance company that actually guards this pool of payout, they will make a decision to say that they will cover you everything besides what the pre-existing condition or medical condition that you have. So to be fair to everyone who are contributing to this pool. So I hope that gives you a good perspective. So if you like this informative video like this, you want me to be hitting you with more video like this, do subscribe to my channel.